This first dread I made for my daughter. This hair really got her schoolmates got talking. So guys, let's get to it and see how we made it. Hello my wonderful and amazing supporters, welcome back again to my channel Susan Gold TV. So guys, this is how I made my daughter's first dread, and this hair is so easy to make and you don't need much things to achieve this hairstyle. I use N Jame, rubber band, and of course the main thing, which is the kinky coil. This hairstyle is very easy to follow. So guys, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to be using one pack of kicking coil, yeah, just like this. I'm going to be using one, and what I'm going to do, first I'm going to use oil, hair oil, to spray the rubber band. Then before I use it to pack I used to hold the kicking coil. So when I'm doing it, I make one side longer than the other side. So the shorter side is what I will hold along with the hair, which is the longer part is what I'm going to use to thread the hair. How are you all doing? I hope you all are fine. Please, this is your first time coming across my channel Susan Gold TV. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I would really appreciate if you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I will drop a new video. To our returning subscriber, thank you so much. I want to use this medium to say thank you and God bless you for your endless support. So guys, you see how I'm handling it now. So I had the short one along with the hair and I start threading it. So this way the hair will be enough to thread it before it finish. So just see how I close everything. So this hair, guys, is so easy to follow, very easy. I love, like, if my kids will allow me to make them this kind of hairstyle, I love it. Like, I really love this first dread. It's more easier than using wool, it's very easy and it's not painful at all. Like, I didn't stress myself, and my child also, she didn't stress herself too much, because before she know it, we're already done. Although I do fast a bit, and I also don't cut their hair too tiny because they don't carry the hair for a long time. So what I did was I make the hair to the tip. So I take it back, like I thread the hair back as if I'm taking it back, which is the one I use first. So the other one that I had with the hair, it didn't finish, so I have to like twist it back again before I will now roll everything. So after roll everything, I have to use my hand to like roll all the hair, so this way it will look like real dread. Guys, when my daughter got to school, they were like, yeah, they thought this hair was a natural hair, because they believe that, this Africa kids, because we based in Germany, they thought these Africa kids were always like this rasta. They don't really, like, they've not seen my daughter natural hair since she started school. So they were just like, they were just like, oh my god, your hair is so beautiful, this is a natural hair. And she told them no, it's not her natural hair. No one believes her. They said no, they believe this hair is her natural hair, because the way I put paka and use the rubber band to hold the hair and put everything, when they she said when they touch her hair, they look at the edge, they couldn't see like this how where the edges started. So they didn't believe the hair wasn't her natural hair. So guys, these are just okay. Let me also share it with you guys in case you decide to also make it for your girls. So, and I will be making this kind of hair more often for them, most especially the one in the primary school, because the other ones in kindergarten, kids, they don't really care that much. So guys, this is how I did it. And the first part I cut into three. Then after that I cut the other one around. I just start cutting it, so I didn't do it too much. Like, I changed my kids' hair every 2 weeks. So this is how I made the hair, just from beginning till the end. This is how I do the cutting, and this is how I do the threading. So fast, painless, and stress free. If you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain.
lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm doing yesterday.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. How I wish that you were here to give me everything I want. But I know that life's unfair and we can't always have it. There's not a single day that passes, not even 1 minute can end up. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. How I wish that you were here to give me everything I want. But I know that life's unfair and we can't always have it.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. bass guitar. Simmer down and mash me up. Tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drum me round in your red Ford. Shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes sound funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes sound funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Holding.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want
This is the end of the video. So guys, tell me what you think about this hair, and also if you want to try it or if you tried it, let me know. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you all. All right, I hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.